Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more very fancy mocktail. Mocktail name is Mafia. You can see by the name how the mocktail will be there. Okay na? How to make the Mafia mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to pour 30 ml of 30 to 40 ml of cubic crush. Then you have to pour 60 to 120 ml of pineapple juice. For this mocktail, you have to add little bit of more lemon juice. That's why 15 to 20 ml of lemon juice. Okay, after that you have to pour some ice cube. Okay, then simply just take all the ingredients, take oil, then take a fancy glass and take a tall glass, and you have to pour all the mixing ingredients into the, see how the color, very fancy color. Then what you will do, you can you have to pour on the top of, you have to pour coke, slowly you have to pour. See, here Mafia mocktail is ready. You can garnish it simply on lime slice and mint leaf. This is the very fancy mocktail. We can try very easy mocktail with a combination of kiwi crush, pineapple juice, lime juice, and top up with coke. This is the two layer based mocktail you can try. Okay, see how the color, we in the down you are having green color and top with the black coke color. Very fancy mocktail you can try. Okay, I hope you like this mocktail, and easily you can make this mocktail. Okay, you can prepare this mocktail. Most of the people they like very much this mocktail. Okay, I hope you like this mocktail, and thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. If you like my mocktail, then please like and subscribe my channel, and you can see lots of like mocktail video every day, new mocktail. If you want to learn mocktail, then you can see, you can watch all my videos so that you can learn like different type of mocktail. Every day I'm uploading some new mocktail. Okay, cheers for this mocktail. Cheers, thank you.